Organomation has been a leading provider of laboratory evaporation solutions for over 60 years. Our goal is to create simple and easy-to-use instruments for analytical or environmental labs. Our instruments require minimal installation before use. This video will walk you through the steps of installing your dry block MULTIVAP. First, carefully check all the items you receive for damage which may have occurred in transit. Make sure to keep all cartons and packing materials until the instrument has been assembled and tested. Contact Organomation immediately if any damage or discrepancies are found. Your shipment should contain the following: a dry bath, a nitrogen distribution manifold, a needle guide included with the 48 and 80 position models, 2 stainless steel gas tubes, a black coil tube, stainless steel needles, custom aluminum inserts included with the 30 and 48 position models, a clear gas connection tube, and a manual. Put the bath on a stable surface such as a lab bench or fume hood. Make sure the power switch is turned off and the heat and gas switches are in the middle position. Plug in the electrical cord. Connect the black coil tube to the back of the unit where it's labeled gas input. Connect the other end to a gas source. Install the 2 gas supply tubes to either side of the bath. Make sure you have the 2 brass rings on each side. Tighten the compression screws with a wrench. Remove the plastic tubing from the manifold and throw it away. Place the manifold on top of the tubes and slide it down approximately 2 inches. Tighten the thumb screws on each side to lock it in place. Place each spring assembly on top of the tubes and slide them down as far as possible. Tighten the white plastic nuts on each spring assembly. Take the clear tube provided and connect it to the back of the flow meter and air filter. To check that the manifold is installed correctly, loosen the thumb screws on either side. You should be able to raise and lower the instrument and use the thumb screws to hold it in position. Raise the manifold and retighten the thumb screws. Install your needles into the manifold. If your instrument came with a needle guide, it's best to place them in the guide first and then connect them into the manifold. Center the needles over the wells by using the 4 alignment knobs on the needle guide. Make sure the guide plate remains level. Place the custom inserts into the heating unit. The dry block MULTIVAP is now officially installed and ready for use. If you are unfamiliar with the use of the MULTIVAP system, or you are working with a new procedure, we recommend doing a trial run of blank samples to determine the best operating conditions. Now that the unit is fully assembled, don't forget to fill out the warranty registration form. We ask that you return your completed warranty form within 10 days of receiving your instrument. If you require more assistance throughout the installation process, please reach out to sales@organomation.com or speak to one of Organomation's sales technicians at 978-838-7300.